Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the Tokyo Olympic Sports 2021 boxing. A boxing match is held in a square ring with two corners marked with red and blue color belonging to the fighters team where under the supervision of a judge and a commission. Two athletes compete using fair fighting techniques under a set of rules. Overview: two athletes square up to each other in a ring and victory is gained by the athlete who more successfully lands blows to their opponent's head and torso. This is a simple summary of a sport that featured at the ancient Olympic Games in the 7th century BC when opponents fought with strips of leather wrapped around their fist. At that time, boxing matches would continue until the opponents concedes or loses consciousness, and at various times, the sport was banned for being excessively brutal. In Great Britain during the 19th century, boxing was formalized with rules that included the wearing of gloves. Since then, boxers have become renowned for their sporting demeanor, with opponents showing immense respect for each other's courage and physical commitment. Boxing has featured at all modern Olympic Games since St. Louis 1904 with the exception of Stockholm 1912. Women's events were a popular addition to the program at London 2012. At Tokyo 2021, women will compete for gold in 5 weight division from fly to middle and men in 8 division from fly to super heavy. The sport is hugely popular worldwide and many boxers who competed at the Olympic Games have gone on to gain global fame, none more so than the late Muhammad Ali. Ali won gold in the light heavyweight division at the Rome 1960 Games under the name Cassius Clay and became one of the most recognized and respected men on the planet. Event program: Man, fly 48 to 52 kg, feather 52 to 57 kg, light 57 to 63 kg, welter 63 to 69 kg, middle 69 to 75 kg, light heavy 75 to 81 kg, heavy 81 to 91 kg, super heavy plus 91 kg. Women, fly 48 to 51 kg, feather 54 to 57 kg, light 57 to 60 kg, welter 64 to 69 kg, middle 69 to 75 kg. Hit and avoid being hit. An Olympic boxing match for both men and women lasts 3 rounds each of 3 minutes. 5 judges sit at the side of the ring. They watch their bout and individually award points for what they deem to be successful hits. In addition, the referee can end a match if the difference between the fighters is such that the match should not continue or if a doctor indicates the match should be stopped. A match can also end if a competitor receives 3 warnings and is disqualified or if a competitor is unable to resume a fight within 10 seconds, in which case they are considered knocked out. Although the aim and rules of boxing are simple, the fighting styles of its competitors are wide-ranging and distinctive. This is what makes boxing such a fascinating and exciting sport to watch. A heavy-hitting boxer seeking to pile on heavy punches may be matched against an opponent with a sound defense who will wait for their rival to tire before striking decisively. Some will want to fight at close quarters, others from distance. All athletes must take care to pace themselves and some will demonstrate superb footwork to move around the ring and hit hard if their opponent's defense fall. Outlook for the Tokyo 2021 Games. The Rio 2016 boxing program comprised 10 men's and 3 women's weight division. At Tokyo 2021, greater gender equality will be achieved with a program of 8 men and 5 women's division. The most consistently successful countries in boxing have been the United States and Cuba. Between them, they won They have won approximately one-third of all gold medals, and many of their fighters have gone on to great achievement in the professional arena. For a comparatively small nation, Cuba's record at the Games is remarkable, as Moscow 1980 Teofilo Stevenson made Olympic history by becoming the first boxer to earn the gold medal in the same division 3 times. Cuban boxers then went on to win no fewer than 19 gold medals at the 4 games between Barcelona 1992 and Athens 2004. Medalists in women's boxing have so far all come from Europe and the United States. However, women's boxing is still developing around the world, and other nations which reached the podium at London 2012 and Rio 2016, including the People's Republic of China, India, and Kazakhstan, will be seeking gold in Tokyo. An additional element of uncertainty is the possibility of wider participation by professional boxers in the Tokyo program. This could be a further significant development in a sport that is consistently evolving. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.